Slanging it up. Knowing when to use slang greetings in English. Hello learners. Welcome back to our English language learning channel. In this video, we will delve into an interesting part of English language, slang greetings, specifically focusing on when to use them. By the end of this video, you should have a better understanding of where and when it's appropriate to use these fun and informal expressions. Before we get into when to use slang greetings, let's quickly remind ourselves what they are. Slang greetings are informal and colloquial phrases that we use to say hello or welcome someone. These might include phrases like, "What's up?" "How's it hanging?" or, "Hey, what's cooking?" Slang is a vibrant part of the language, constantly changing and evolving with cultures and generations. Now, on to the main topic. When to use slang greetings. Remember, the context is crucial. In formal settings, slang greetings are most appropriate in casual, informal settings. This can include hanging out with friends, casual social gatherings, or perhaps even in certain laid-back workplaces. Age group. The age group of the people you're communicating with also matters. Younger people tend to use and understand slang more, although this isn't a hard and fast rule. Relationship. Use slang greetings with people you know well and are comfortable with. It's not typically used with people you've just met or with whom you have a formal relationship. Region. Slang can be region-specific. Some slang greetings are more common in certain regions or countries, so being aware of local usage can be helpful. Despite the fun and informality of slang, remember to exercise caution. Not everyone may understand or appreciate slang, especially those who are new to the language or come from different cultural backgrounds. Always be mindful of the other person's comfort and understanding. The best way to get comfortable with slang greetings is to practice. Listen to how they're used in movies, TV shows, or music. Try using them in your conversations. Remember, it's okay to make mistakes. That's part of learning. And there we have it. We hope this video has been helpful in understanding when to use slang greetings in English. Slang can add a lot of flavor and fun to your conversations, but remember the key is to use it appropriately. As always, practice is your best friend. Keep learning, keep practicing, and you'll be slanging it up in no time. Until next time, bye for now.